Good evening, everybody. We are going to learn present passive voice today. Actually, many people ask about passive voice and what's the points of passive voice? And is it really that important to know about passive voice? Actually, yes. Understanding passive voice is very important. But at first, we have to know three very important questions and answer about that. All these questions. Number one, what is the passive voice? Why do we use the passive voice? And how to make passive? Number one, what is the passive voice? Passive voice is the sentence without the subject. Actually, we have to know firstly what is the active. The active sentence is the sentence has the subject first. The subject is the person who does the action. And Noor drinks the coffee. Noor is the subject. Noor is the person who does the action. Drinks is the verb, the action. The coffee, the object. The object is the person or thing that the action happens to. The coffee is drunk. Number two, why do we use the passive voice? When the action is more important or interesting than the person who does the action, or the person who does the action isn't known or isn't important. Or maybe we don't want to say who did the action. John steals the bank. John is the subject. John is the person who does the action. Steals is the verb, the action. The bank is the object, is the thing that the action happens to. How to make the passive? John steals the bank. We have to put the object in the beginning. So we say John is the subject, steals is the verb, the bank, object. So we have to put the bank at the beginning. Because the bank is singular, we have to put is. Okay? The second thing that we have to put it, we have to put verb to be. Into whatever tense we need, and then adding the past participle for regular verbs. We make the past participle by adding ed to the infinitive verb. Okay? Or maybe we have to put other verbs with irregular verbs. The bank is stolen. We put bank at the beginning, then we put is because it's singular, then we put the past participle at the end. Steal, stole, stolen. Stolen is the past participle. Examples. Sarah breaks the dishes. Sarah is the subject. Sarah is the person who does the action. Breaks. Breaks. The verb. The action. The dishes is the object. Object that the action happens to. We have to put the object at the beginning. Then put the verb with verb to be. Because dishes are plural, we put are. Then we have to put the third figures of the verb, break. So are broken, break, broke, broken. I drank 2 cups of tea. I, the subject. I, the person who does the action. And drink is the verb, the action. 2 cups of coffee is the object. We have to put the object at the beginning, then we put are because we have 2 cups. Are, then we have to put the past participle for the verb. Finally, the sentence will be with the new subject at the beginning, then is with singular, and are with plural. Then we have to put past participle at the end. See you tomorrow and goodbye.